You may not believe it, but I don't believe in miracles anymore. And when I think about it, I don't believe I ever did for sure. All the things I've said in songs, all the purple prose you brought me from, reality's just black and white. Some of the things I'd write never meant much to me. I used to be Main Express, all steam and whistles headed west, picking up my pain from door to door, riding on the storyline, furnace burning overtime, but this train don't stop. No, this train don't stop. Oh, this train don't stop there anymore. You don't need to hear it, but I'm dried up, sick to death of love. And if you need to know it, I never really understood that stuff. All the stars and bleeding hearts, all the tears that welled up in my eyes, never meant a thing to me. Read 'em as they say and weep. I never felt enough to cry. I used to be the Main Express, all steam and whistles headed west, picking up my pain from door to door, riding on the storyline, furnace burning overtime, but this train don't stop. This train don't stop. Oh, this train don't stop there anymore. When I say I don't care, really means my engine's breaking down. The chisel chips my heart again. Granite cracks beneath the skin. I crumble into pieces on the ground. Used to be the Main Express, all steam and whistles headed west, picking up my pain from door to door, riding on the storyline, furnace burning overtime, but this train don't stop. This train don't stop. Oh, this train don't stop there anymore. But this train don't stop. This train don't stop. Oh, this train don't stop there anymore. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.